Welcome back. One of the things you may begin to notice as you begin to look at trial applications is that your email box is going to fill up with various opportunities to upgrade your account, to purchase other products, to look at various opportunities. And rather than unsubscribe from all of the email providers and all of the services, what you'll want to do is to learn and develop a system in order to manage these emails. One very basic strategy is to manage the emails related to your online business in one particular folder and read them all at one time. You want to learn how to respond to sales messages only when you're ready and only when they are relevant. This is something that you'll want to expect at every point in your online business, and if you've not learned to manage it, this is a good time to begin to learn as you begin to evaluate different services that you are going to use, all of whom are going to be sending you various promotions to join their service. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.